As you can see here, I'm holding the tennis ball in my left hand and pressing it into my right forearm. From there, I'm actively moving my right wrist up and down, side to side, letting the movement help me find those tender spots. When you hit one, don't rush it. Stay there, keep the wrist moving, and breathe. The goal isn't pain, it's giving the tissue a new, safer input. Spend about 30 seconds per area, then switch sides. This works great before training, after lifting, or anytime your forearms feel smoked. Hold a tennis ball in your hand and lightly squeeze it. Now take your wrist through slow, controlled circles. Big circle. Smooth motion, no rushing. If you feel a sticky or uncomfortable spot, slow down there, stay in control, and keep breathing. Do 3 to 5 circles each direction, then switch sides. Quick work, but it adds up. Grab a light band and set some gentle tension. Now take your wrist through slow, controlled circles. Keep the motion smooth. This is about control, not max effort. If you hit a sticky spot, slow it down and stay relaxed. 3 to 5 circles each direction, then switch sides. Low resistance, high payoff. Now we're using a 1-pound Indian club to build better strength through pronation and supination. In this first variation, the thick end of the club is facing down. That shifts the weight away from your hand, which increases the torque your forearm has to control. As you rotate into supination, you're working directly against gravity. That means your deep forearm rotators have to stay active the entire time. No shortcuts, no momentum. Move slow, stay smooth. Control the rotation all the way through, especially at the end ranges. This isn't about heavy weight, it's about owning rotation. Now we're flipping the Indian club so the thick end is facing up. This changes the leverage. The weight is closer to your hand, which lowers the torque but increases the demand for control through the full range. As you move through pronation and supination here, the challenge is smoother transitions, not fighting gravity as hard, but resisting wobble and unwanted motion. This variation is great for groove work, coordination, and endurance of the forearm rotators. Same rules apply. Slow rotation, full control, no rushing. Different leverage, different stimulus.